In this tutorial video, you will learn how to navigate finding aids for LSU Library Special Collections. A finding aid is a document created by library staff that describes the contents of a manuscript or archival collection and is also known as a collection inventory. All finding aids generally follow the same structure according to archival standards, so once you become familiar with the basic elements, you will understand how to utilize these resources no matter which archives or special collections you visit. To browse LSU's finding aids, select Search Finding Aids from the yellow box located on any LSU Special Collections webpage. You can keyword search across all of our available guides or select a specific collection by title. We'll be using the George W. Jones Finding Aid as an example. Archives and manuscript collections are arranged by creator, and that could be a person, a family, or an organization. In this case, the George W. Jones Papers includes letters written by or to Jones and other print materials like newspaper clippings, pamphlets, and postcards collected by Jones during his lifetime. The finding aid begins with a table of contents, information about how to request boxes or request copies from the collection, and a publication statement. Next, you will see a brief summary of the Jones Papers, including the date ranges, locations, and languages represented in the materials. Any access or duplication restrictions will also be listed here. This collection has no restrictions, but some collections may have items that cannot be viewed by researchers for a certain period of time after their creation, or have limitations on photocopying due to the physical condition of the materials. Finally, this page includes any related collections found at LSU and a recommended format for citing these materials. The next section includes a biographical statement about the creator, in this case George Jones, and an overview of the type of materials found in the collection, called a scope and content note. Archival collections often contain multiple series of documents divided thematically, geographically, or by format or time frame. The larger a collection is in size, the more series or subseries it may contain. Series can help researchers understand the structure of the collection or better locate materials of interest. In this example, George Jones' correspondence is separated from his other personal papers. Next follows a more detailed description of the contents of the two series. Followed by index terms related to the collection that can be used in the library catalog to find related materials. The container list at the end of the finding aid provides a detailed inventory of the location of materials in the collections, including box, folder, or volume numbers. When planning to view archival materials in person or request copies, it is important to know which portion of a collection is of interest to you. For example, if you only wanted to look at the postcards in the Jones Papers, you will find them in Box 3, folders 21 to 24, at location D102 to 104, and in Oversize Folder 1. Sharing this information with Special Collections staff will ensure we retrieve the correct portion of the collection for you. While Special Collections offers almost 800 searchable finding aids online, keep in mind that some of our finding aids are only available in paper format. If you have any questions about a particular collection or finding aid, or would like to receive a copy of a paper finding aid, you can always contact Special Collections from our website using the Ask Special Collections link and web form. To request materials listed in the finding aid of a manuscript or archival collection, visit the library catalog from the Search Catalog link on the Special Collections website. Then search for the title of the collection, and under the Library field, select Special Collections. Next, open the catalog record that matches the collection name. If an electronic finding aid is available for the collection, it will be linked under Electronic Access. To proceed with a request to view materials in person or place a duplication order, select the Request Item links that match the box and folder information provided in the finding aid. First-time users of LSU Special Collections will be prompted to create a free research account before placing requests.